24 be kasa na fi yahwe akoye anim.
Well, please, Irrigated Sports, a perfect program, perfect engaging, and perfect unexpected. Irrigated Sports, a papa. So listen to Irrigated Stop. You grow old and you die old. Thank you.
No, I don't know. You grow old, you go die old. You not die young. So if you don't want to die young, you have to listen to Irrigated Sports. So, I want to say,
my name is Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listening Alligators Sport on Adom FM 106.3 FM. So you listen, Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listening and I'm here. God bless you.
Amen. Sisi.
Other for me didn't this Sisi Chum. That they be Irrigated Sports. There's no day minty Irrigated because me tia manage na me stress
Obviously. You here. Over.
The open program one denisham fast sports one tie Irrigated Sports Adom 106.3 FM. The first John.
Good. Kwame Akwaba.
Kwame Joso.
And put him to say.
Na me I adom ya tempo anu de na wan nwam. Na kwaku still ayarega a flag bearer still a umu anu still.
Masa.
Upon the
Yanko enemy.
Rasta you stop.
Yanko enemy. 14
Yo, Jeko. Kwa adom online go so papa bi da house. Papa no invent bankuta. Funny picture to an man for you. I believe in celebrating people when they are alive more than when they are dead. Kwaku so di banku. Open banku say open hard and now open soft.
Oh.
When you say I before banku na sante for banku.
There be me pede you bunch be.
I don't know guy.
Me pay me banku esa de mu ya idisa.
Pompo na open. Pede agole mana sha de ma no. Me vegetarians
na bunch ne dos do.
Na uba wi aso ni agwani atwempena da.
Ai.
And one kasa banku ni bia mu ani.
That by force.
So only a good nitrim planas or what and your shake when you're seven.
And yet, are you go? Say a coffee will be taken, and yeah, you go. Are you big? That GB, the ones I hear, and you're great. Are you great? I you great? And I could turn for the correction. I before the Anoyana and no bunch more in the Dawson. 2 months start. I am near the power. I know, Omunkrumano so I can ye. I say, Asantifoni Krumano. Miss Adrian, you are me banner say, Asantinija, where me damn men talk. Sab Gobe say, no, me banner say, I go for their tongue, Gobena, me a satisfied metal. Watch it, said Jebby Neton, me okay, and you're here. See, we are
Antimansa and tongue. Watch it.
I'm say we are assassin.
And I made sure the media make a me. Shall we be in the piano?
Obi, bet me a proper some word, dear, you grab a gun and a radio. Now make a toy, yeah, make a talk Gabinsia. One at twice, because you are what Debbie. By course, you will be betting me at Chogo, baby. I'll give you, baby. The call when you picture say we are assassin. For Mamma sign. You and your gun for motion a year Adom 106.3 our Facebook no. Obo say papa bi wo ho ani simu gire say kwa me obo ade de bi. Only some dem dem on up and down ya. Ane de na up pe and we friend kente. Sa papa ni di Sylvester Owusu agei. Wano ana oye obi a ye fa de Paul Kingsley Asamoah. Sylvester hona we nya ode amaje. Paul Kingsley Asamoah. Owura Paul Kingsley Asamoah. Ona ni mfoni eda eye your Facebook page in Susiano. Papa, we didn't tell me we bondi say or no the bankutaba we are say. First near Kabanku, but near Nita into there near the car. Oh, yeah, you used to come cry, be used to never be brave. No, who said no. How can you use congrat you? Who said your money and never be brave? Hey, I never could tell you. Kokoya shine man, you shine every the shine belongs to Mr. Paul Kingsley Asamoah. Within 90 years. Now, Ofie, a year crop your friends a corner. Sakona make a Washanti region. Okay. Now, man said you will come on. I shake my dear somebody about Bonabasso. But they don't put out by Wamanensi or on a Sunday a ceiling brush. Ceiling brush.
I want ceiling brush.
Eh, did it.
Oh, no, the buy.
Enyano kre.
Oh, Kwaku. I mean, me no na team John Troda.
He
is the founder. He's 90 years, Kwaku. How old are you?
Okay, we're 90 years.
We're 90 years.
Okay. I rest my case.
Mr. Paul Kingsley Asamoah is 90 years.
Okay.
Now it is believe say onona de bankuta any a ceiling brush eba wiase. Na Kwaku de be mo agire ade ni say okọ aye kona potem wa. Adwuma amrante wo ye nyina no aye bankuta any ceiling brush. Anu de to akra ha nyina no dodo na di firi ho na ba ha me yeto. Eti o invent wie no so wa kire mrante bebre a omo ye. Na adwumakuo bi na ahyehye dwumadi bi so mo de bo na ba so. Abra wo te ase. Se na be ya papa iko a na chi ampepa. Enti ye nyina no ye pebanku nyina no ye tuche e de ma no na say se pebanku pa na sam pofo je pebanku papa ane na free onyan kruma kakra kan ode a
na say de emwa no ntino
koko no hu odi ani koko na ba
se edra me de banku ba na oya ya no so kra wo be ya ma dia say ye you na say wo be dia di na wo be wu
yes koko on carbohydrate oya re bi o chere no so some meat koko kro na o Kwaku nya koko da.
Davi.
Ande nya me dey acha me. So far me see so dey koko bia me ha me da. Nti no unu aso okoye SSCC okoye se koko no. Eti Kwaku na ye papa ya baso, wa ya de pa so de bankuta. E buy because bankuta e dey adwuma brave kofo bebre. Omo ka bankuton. Omo dey adwuma nyina. Omo ya ton no stores. Omo nyina no papa ya adawroma. Kwaku amanfo no send me message say me ye research ache. Eti mi tu mi crofo ni gudwe mom koye research. Na research no de nya so say ade bia ye nwanwa but aba no say ade tudwa.
E fade o.
And say you say emema aware no about 70%. Ana esan wo nkanchema e wo mo yenu machi.
Say the dada no.
Na the account say dodo na no about 65 of the 70 no ene ema omufie e chen omyire e wo from se omyire nom na e wo ho.
The view now,
new finding no
me bow. Oh, we ready 30 years. Now, Cochimpra, now Cocofa, Abrewasa. I didn't tell me the area. I found a research on the Abasa. No, do na out of the 70, no 65. A ma, omoye lower than fear what from a chair. Tino, as I know then. And I'm okay, say, yeah, age is just a number. I am can't say. Omo says na day.
And the people will be in
why be paying?
Me ankasa. Some of them worry.
There be time one hour no.
Some worry me family chida.
There be ofa obi no younger than wife than.
I am in so age. Minya girl or axe.
Urban age or
chimple or axe age. But Kwaku and the come the mami did in research no. Even though we too crofo group no koye no. We did it just say send your no. So why you penny dia. Now so why are some branch here when tie nyame asam. So so be for the dia. And you likely so before be our chair no.
Beauty say it's a good research.
This is research asu we be kan. How many do na? So na you ready 30 or per 25. Na you 40 or per 30 25 35.
Now momo ye the other way round so say
man dey afeni e be wrong. It's next week na me wrong man dey. Who say me dem research me trim. I just the results na ba. It's we dey me ma mu tie me dey me kan yampa. Mo fa mo yire no machi no. Jari number no be dey no so mbeti na send message number. So wo fa wo yire chi no ukọ wanim ana wo ba wachi. A chire fa no dey so fo aka wa muwa. Bible aka wa muwa ana wakoye. Na mo wo ye ye no ukọ wanim ana wo ba wachi. Eno na research no aka wasem. Kwaku am de che say eyanketo asa no a. Amu hu am bossu. The word papa no kai.
The word papa.
Who say Miss Benny Tracy Boachi din komo die obi atime mo papa ni din. But omo use the word papa no. Omo de say ofan keto no sana ya na obuo ewom. Omo ebi mko afra oda. Na no sa ma na ya sa na be sin na me nti omase. Be ma otimi ro homa no. Na da so frɛ ne da.
Sandia see you say I will Kwame a bottle of Jack Daniel for this.
me research the cancel.
Oh, we say that's I lie we
65 out of 70. 70 cheating no. And 65 video biako below.
Yeah.
Now the reason same na me ma no.
One pen high.
One pen high. Kwa come the say aya na obuo ewom. Oba no crown in da cross na frɛ wo da. Say the papa be say ne country me say bia aketemu age ni bia. Ohu papa be say da. Da so still no the na ekɔ.
Dance no.
And your opinion by the opinion me so so yes ani man but say e bia na research no wo asem kakra kan. Kwaku and the research me dey by the say about 70% of married men no still cheat on their wives, and when they are cheating, the new finding is that they go below the ages of their wives.
And on the side, no, okay, can't you know? And yet, David, I guess I request you.
Now, what request?
A babruna, when the
no request here.
The Council of Elders.
Now, I request the command.
Why the brain?
No, or the one,
but okay, can't you now? Or band your dan who combat one, you know. Why don't there is no way to make a one if I guess you in a room. Okay, can't trust them to question. And Penifona, dear Chinya. When a boy who said, "Man, now far by one nose, and you're in power because when you prank, I went to the book you. I bet that one, my dear, why, dear? And no, they can't quit their here or he be jam. The one you could have been Pumra. There be no omunim so either. Our person, what dinner just and to about one of the wishes are all did you. There be any only wish. And Penifona, say. And yes, said David Pema, there be said they are what dinner. I don't know David Pema. Oh, gee, that's not what's in the Bible. The old Bible maker said the way I want dinner. Yeah, the blanket actually no one still. I want them to now one day. And no more coffee or babunua. Nimpokuya is what I say. Near Fanum Nano or Madame Kukumon can hosh it. What I say. The same quotation and a Wukitana. David, there be an offer for us. I'm not just saying. But research no one. Research no one must become.
Sir, Obin Tona Cocobedia. I just say, we are so baby, be now.
Okay, we bow. Aunt Olivia can't say me now.
Tanicana.
You know,
no can one farmer. Train us no ones and answer me question. Oh, yeah, say, yet here in Jim Tree car monochain all day. Oh, my dear, oh, yeah, will be okay. What you auntie, man, what uncle reply? I reply, remember. It's morning reply, so now, maybe some assembly. If we answer, no, can answer. Oh, who's that? Kwame say, my are not dying, inventing Bankutano. Now, man, no say, Ofie Kwanso, corner, Asantim, Ofie Kwanso.
Okay.
Oba ayetafu pankrono.
Pankrono.
Na etimetim janshi ho. Na say okọ ehwa.
Ha de minimo.
Ofre hwa na okọ mamponten. Asenuanom ne ade hyehyehye mfimfini ode. Okọ mamponten na fe oba ntonso aboaso. Dufri ntonso aboaso a. Na oba kuna. Ofre kuna na akota no dumase.
Wan ye di ka tutu nkro di ni de. Asemu.
Na kro ye di nya na etwenim nyansa so e.
Try mobile.
What's the main credit? Eh, Udeti. The person watching say, my you are Santona on we invented Bajoy. At the man, Bajoy. One student come back. When it is that time, nobody come back.
On the argument in the buy, a voter for an SNA. Take up a judgment in the don't know see we now be coffee. The idea was from Asante region, but the
question answer number. I say I've ordered the vehicles. So early next year.
Oh, okay. Mami, obi e tie bi o.
And me ko me
car. Me adma fi fufure na man for still amenko ya na etitimi a. There's a way I said that man.
Papa no. With the way mama no. Kwakwana me koto me ka na twen na sie brand new car na e ba no.
Odo ma ye bi na ye be adwuma tete.
O ye betua o. Ye betua.
E mo tia o.
Kakra ye.
Tani kra mo car na brand ni bi e de kwaku.
Oh, omo bebre ayi.
So mo na di GPV ba e.
Alfa Romeo yi omo na de eba.
Na Fiat no.
Fiat yi omo na de ba. E na Jeep.
O kan ya ma bo hone kakra Fiat.
E na Jeep.
Jeep yi. Ye mpanimfo etwi bi.
E na de ba. E na Chrysler ne.
How dey fire nko
Dodge ni hwa.
Ye nuru Chrysler how dey.
Jeep nu se nkuma bi wo mu fine pa.
Ba ku bi. Em se compass wo se den no.
Fine pa.
Se wa kwa ma bia.
Oda wo man perifo bi di ara no o ma hwehwe ni achi enti o munya de di na achi no na achi
hwe ayi Akuapem brother say the landlord were 5 wives.
Okay.
Now from the first wife no to the second no and to sa kopem the fourth no 5 years interval.
There's a comment about the research with the mufua.
Yeah, so
Kwakuna omo ware
anya ho kira obi amfa ma me panimu za.
Na e ma no so ho cheji na wen fa papa no.
Oh yes. Ambaka kiro.
Kwaku the one sugar daddy no so what da. The atiane say anya akwakora bia na ye sugar daddy. Bagana man bi nim. Obo no ohia ni akwakora twempra kwa sugar daddy. And the only daddy nko na twempra.
Sugar ne nkan to krase.
Sugar ne nkan.
Dabi ore. Ukokro bi mu a nipa wubu ne yani no.
Okay.
Ubu ni ya obanka ha oyenye no kokro bi mu a no ne champion.
Yeah, champion.
Yeah, because time you were crossing no na nipa ye hu am rich man no your mom wo pharmacy and the bezafo.
And also wo provision shop. How no bia atade.
Those were the people we are calling rich people.
And also program bia on the chairman.
But over cry there you different.
David.
Kwabo hu 23 years Okita Benz. C class Jin wagon 23 years. There's a class rich man and you been a work class.
Turns out the speed e twa ho ana omo ye no.
Na wo ye na ye. Wo betime akwa wo so ka ho nkoto no. Kwagu katokra kwa kasa de chese amanfo bebre na omo ka football ne ho. Nanso omo ye omo hu dua broni atwi football sign. Osi stakeholders ni bi wo omo ye say omo tarnish the image of the Ghana football. Safo no omo ho ni.
I don't know how mo be edin.
Edin your bed akobodi. Put me modin the chese. Papa you say ayi na P for P vendors na ko see sign.
E na me gusu a me na ho asem na me ba be kan. Up to now by me bo akire hwe no so ma de no eya na ba between 5-6 or no 5-6 nti if sabre ku bia e betima tom. Yes. 5-6 na no. If sabre ku bia betimi atom. Me na ministry bia me be chen P for P.
And ye we ama kwan dey.
And no na make catch us me train. Say ma ya me ni football say me ya meka. Oh David.
Just 4 minutes to 5.
Yeah kakra bia na ma bo akire website o. Cars website o me ko na mai.
And enra na me tie o 6 o'clock news no. Na wo kan airport aye bie. And $150 a year amount.
Doubtless. Is there a doubtless?
Oh boy, a year amount for me voice. I'm going to you say I am the who feels it knows it.
Your 3 down in him said,
for voice. It seems that bogus in a complaining. But politicians no voice. So some can say, Yanka no doom. Could be $300. Kwakumi fu say anya sa na nso mu ya se bi tie ni ba ada ko boy na obi say na voice na boy or just baby cry $300
you togo how dey say €300
na euros mu ya $10
em say Nigeria dey na ofom kakra $130 no kra no o mu ya test ni wi a okoda hotel 2 days hotel $100
ada so say
mo ka bo mu awie na chese watwam ayi kra
enti na chese on person chese ye dey no kra wo fom sa no wo bu akire
Mrs. Joyce Obeng ewo country links travel and tours wo aboso kan
country link
na o say Jordan ewo UK.
Okay.
Na Jordan say irrigated no onfani agro kwa.
Na irrigated obi aso onfani agro.
Ayo. Say ye hu de on e champion.
Obi aso be hu bia so number 1 fan.
Obi aso na number 1 sa. Nti Jordan ye chia why?
Obi so say good morning kwa me obo ade. Trust you are doing well.
By this time
o send na mapa no. I'm the lady who was in the red RAV4 car you saw at Pokwase, and Papa Bills gave me your number. Today is my birthday. I would like you, Jerry and Anasa, to wish me happy birthday. I'm a regular listener of Irrigated Sports, and I love you guys. My name is Mrs. Patience Aka. I live at.
So
the Mrs. Didn't call on some point. Oti Pobi mine. It is sister. Where the Pobi mine.
And you are camper.
And I know Pobi mine. I can.
CEO of a Nisi farmer. Reverend Amwatin, yes, always with tissue. Grace say into Chempamano. Reverend Amwatin.
And then not Mr. William Ofori.
Hey, your name said, yeah.
Oh,
of tall.
Okay.
Company William Ofori.
As a minimum.
Company, there was a company, Mamma, I'm not much trouble. A dear company, the company, what's William Ofori bomb? As a minimum. Company to my
amount to my poor men, sir.
I didn't go for Anamifa.
Anniversary is a Corona and Kaya no because program pumping for she and Yagro.
I celebrate my
25th anniversary. No,
you bet my twas with.
I just say pay crown away say when you be back home near the I
know and just say it's not affecting because Corona and Campi. Corona and Campi. Kwaku
Kurama mom for your
that the end up in 40 paid on Mubina and they paid.
They be my emra on Pem Cross Kuruno. Kuro is your bincho.
That be a shame.
Penny. Okay, I come.
I'm call Congress and you approve allowances in salary. I did my I am penny for I keep football. Say
you want 20 million. What about Bosso?
It's a started allowance.
I get no to crown on person. Yeah, see, baby.
See,
walk as about all white party.
If we are crying, Pound and Conco.
I go with you.
Kwaku say GFA president no. He pay 12,000 Ghana cedis.
120 million.
It is kind of 120 million. Anna Obeje. Vice president Obeje 7,000 Ghana cedis. Now for each member of the 10 GFA ESCO and also
executive committee.
Almost 4,000 Ghana cedis.
4,000. If I open Obeji be a hipa.
Why never get there? How? Bonidia. Near is a bit to make in every man.
If I be a Odi Ubi team up a Juma Quasho.
Timmy Yanadia. Now, I think it is a couple more 4 years in our president budget 576,000 Ghana cedis.
That's a student mint in a can.
Now, Vice Swaji, a cow boy has more evidence.
Ah, there's some knocking. At the campaign, we are Chrome has it. Whatever fancy near 10 regions. Now, so called region BM1.
Madame was also a boy says school crowd as any obre. President of Ghana. Because you're training Kalam compared to Teben prefect. Now, Aquana and Koniska one. What me to meet pie, no cost the whole dining. But as I time come here, he capre. It's Aquano or dining so on my. There's a corruption. Mushas actually. I tell me a principal and a year and a year.
It's one person who's got Romco Facebook at the home. I break down.
Nami kusubu boss wa minwie ye.
Na na san obofo.
Yeah.
Also on the obia so number 1 our but on I get ambassador.
I have London. Ya the UK dey na man. Kwaku nti allowances ni nyina be kan wa 336,000 and esco allowances ni also kaboma for the 4 years 1,920. 1,920,000.
Na Franco Bomen so na no so e.
Anyway, the men so no dem am so brasher because Michael Osafo champion or say na me.
Mary Lawe bonidi ma mti.
Mary Lawe.
Sabo biem.
Mary Lawe. Mary Lawe.
O kan bo mu a be dem papa.
Mary Lawe. Mary Lawe.
Onu si entu chema onu so si I get no
fair. And $21 onu so say ne mo kan nyina mo on tibu case kra.
El Mat. Elmat say o sofo o say obiara say on the outro tripa obiara say on fa irrigated sport in agro medie medidi agro pa
o churchi
so musimo fa ni agro on the di agro pa
bakwaku sa wo hwe
na say wo kai man yin so a oye cook ma Equatorial Guinea for president no Mr. Isaac Donko or say Jerry, I cannot sit without irrigated sports. Now I have finished pounding my fufu with a banquet.
Funny team.
I was Equatorial Guinea. Anyway,
I got to be a man so we are funny fufu that is any home be one.
I know we should cool and one we should
we do not prepare be my president. He didn't.
Nana White so said Debbie. Yentimi mfa fans ni mu bia bra ye wo irrigated for a won wo Ofie Kwanso group so
ano se am cry
into omo so ne de ne no so ye crucial pa
omo ye commissioners
obi cry dey say nana how it was me follow irrigated commissioner follow band na kan
na ayi apofoje band no ene akwa dey oye juma pa
double dose pa
gwagu
Kasa.
Na yes Samia eko independent. What was him? Oko independent
for presidency or
you better Samia or
parliamentary.
Parliamentary. O can Samia na de nkruma na.
Na ede na obi a ne papa na DCPP bae. O ada na CPP for yesa. Omutimi tana ni ama ne ko independent. Anya is not the best.
One is omutana ni.
Na sanya sa dia why Samia independent? Kwame Nkrumah ba
uni mu abisemu e kwa
ko bisemu Kwame Nkrumah ba ko independent
na bisemu abede hu nokre wo mu
na wasema wo kan jeje NDC nyane de anya na ne ira tele
party
za party de na for shege
we so say I irrigated ambassador in China.
Okay.
I have taken it. No gidigidi bia.
Na China kwa unya competition.
Uni competition bia fa.
Kwa ebetimi omne Samia akeka ni. Na omra party no so chese kwa.
We fear Samia je
for a very long time. For a very long time ye CPP candidate kwampo e wo parliament.
We say na say my little cousin was contesting for class prefect in class 4. We had to buy toffees for her to share to the whole class before she won.
Oh yeah,
corruption
they do.
Corruption there, you know be now.
Yeah, they do.
Class 4.
Class 4.
Omo ya pa.
Kwa kuna me say boy ya na me kana asemi. Ne ye friend don dada. Na obeba dan ya all man temu.
Don dada dey me guys no no we no.
No
so don tell so
na kwa kubo ebi na menene ko pente be mpe
kwa kunja sare no so
oh yeah
I am pe don sa
we me so
na bi obanu nti no so we don
na kakra na obeba Daniel
e maku pe bi na de mu a on fa hwe nka wan ano
aboy kwa kuna boy na obeba Daniel mantem Daniel na settle obi atra say edidi na wapie obache don dada na me yem kwaku meso miniska me ko to mi ntipa mankrofo enti be targete a man e wo school mo no sa me yakola nyame wadwen o me hu se ma e wo school mo training college won dos cross me ma ene man no so ka so be to ma wa bibia nsa na adwen boys so de o mani bia o so me to ma o buru na etine ni super want to ma enti me yusu ma ne mo me ne ma ne kasaye da ye ko to aba no e bo me yare ma me fa mu da ye enti me to me de wie pa na me ko da ye kwaku me da ho sa me ti kwa mi o kwa e wo ma ne dom ho sa ya kan awie kwa ma wi ni don da meat pie ni nyina ye kwa kwaku Tony Blast say what
ni say ya ne nam ne hye me na nyinya
meat pie no
and
do also agenda kwa Ghana meat pie be bi agenda kwa e fraud papa na kwaku sa meat pie bi da so o do akosua mu asem
bi do akosua asem
fu ego
fu ego
na no obi tu kwan na se wo to no kwan so why obi an to ha no opasi se kumasi na mokwa si wolinda do epeka afufro
kosua manu ani mako
Escosia
asiani mako na unu se nim se
because na your friend say me ko JHS wo tepa maban tepa maban anti bia obefa achirinsu aka na so obefa go so ka
okay
tinipa no odi no kejeti a acha obedum bechem kwanta ho de na amacho za kwan kakra ne o fa ho akofa
so yiba wani
urade yakopo sad brand so new plan kese ni bi no ka kese Do boom with you? You boom with if you feel some can.
I try how bet you. Gagu, so okay, sir, by way Tony Braston. Look, I know.
Yeah.
Was say I regret.
No, that's where I buy one.
Still when you young.
No, the funny looks when you because
this is a current picture.
And I make us say Mission na biti nenyo. What I say.
Was say when you say
favorite my favorite Tony Braston song.
Me there.
Spanish guitar.
I know say a nice pa.
Ordinary photo to.
I was a man for here Tony Braston no.
Why we need the overhead is our own.
Ah, yeah, him. Kwa kuna nyo me de pa. Say are you no can waiting to say album no.
That shoot with
was Tony Braston
with Whitney Houston.
Houston.
Yeah.
A couple of them. Kwa ku me ko CD player.
Into kai pa ubonyu mo ne average ba ko fisa me boy.
Da we me nka.
Na Tony Braston dey hold.
Dey tell me kai we ne se kwa ku. Me ko to ibi okanation. CD player okanation. First CD be just original CD player. Me nim say we share bi sa da.
Aya na ni lens no.
Dey.
Wonim say
CD player. Fake CD. That's original.
Kwame, reason in there say
lens.
Those writable CDs na ya mo ye no. Aya na the quality no e wo form.
And we also cry all right here on check ni speed ne ye wade back bi they are 24 ni 16 years
the picture no eda Facebook won tum betimi ahwe.
BPM ne sa ne ma no on hwe sa.
Obu a on check
and speed no kra so ka ho.
U betimi speed bi write CD. All be machine me mo da.
Kwa kusa mi CD na emmo CD bia e ka eye original CD ho. Ti me ban crying. And benya waiting to exhale. Waiting to exhale. Waiting to exhale album ne toy. I need to pack changes. It in me CD na me one is and me ni pre. It no one na me boss exhale. Waiting to exhale. Enti kwa kusa anyom ne de na pikai pa. O de chese wanu ne ho se oya baba wanu na ne ho sisi ne ho so no. Wa bie cha bebre. Na wa ye pani.
Ka bofo mranti.
Na bi sese opani ho so benya sa nu ho no.
Say
that should be a we are crab say I'm no me home.
I say the me go so our brave. Eti eni ma bebre ho no ma me mani meet me.
Kwakuna wo
say me who say apostle August is month I throw 18 men kan openi. Men kan David asem na men kan na what was so hard in men kan openi.
David Nkwana or sim 24.4 bi wa
o person say David Nkwana no ne de na amwa no
oye na amwa no kwakwa so wonu ne ho say wan hye dem mie ja won baba wa brem
me de na normal di no
wo de won hye dem nu ho sa wa
enu be no
papa be se obenu ne ho
papa e brand sesi anu anye biem kra na
so de o mu na kra anye biem ko pim go okay.
Boys no. Lumba nyom ka tututu no. Me say ka ba now DBS forward pa. You wan come chance ya say.
And go be here losing trusses. And they 22 from ground.
Me say ka cars go for wan come ka so to na go mo de ade akata omuti.
Kwaku sa ka mo yi no say police kire.
Kamu dey.
Ubi eja ka mo no say police.
Police be.
Na no eno de emra be nitia.
Me say no me was no problem about. Me say Ghana ma don't even near grossa. Cause me na makoto me car. And makoto me road wet. And I'm in nam.
Na be who say enya say me say de enfum so na equality o man.
A breach of contract.
Unim say
because enya obi na won tia say obese obeko
because me dey na mo person me nya wantwi say a beach road here wo hoyi e ba bia on okobi akra drive fa ho
beach road was na nkofo ye dwuma ho pa ti o betimi acho pa
osama free
opani bi kra oye ya achese company branded car na oya ya say na obaye say o park wo sa na da neutral and I'm a nice break this one. Obanugu so
I found no yin na me pon
ni na mugugu ye where the man was not can you finish up
what the company can go say puni wo
can you finish up
the police force there be come nya baby a the be run sa na ma no amra kwaku Kwapuni don't even that boy say ya question no. What you want?
Mate ho nsem wana omonsem na nsisi so.
Again me say that
ono person kire say. MPP parliamentary candidate no enkrofo na abefim no. Afi later no mo enkrofo nso kasa so e say enkrofo na efim ne ono aso no hunipa ono mo adwuma pay sometime now they've turn against him. Sem bebre chale. Omunya isa ne ma no mo ye na enyefe. Baby oman any channel those things chale. See traso.
Yes say emrante dey be on so oni oba kasa was mewu ama. Meanwhile so no Sir John so dey na what the crobas need them anabi obi so be pia kwabo di kura kwabo. You be see mewu ama. Enti emi ama obi kasa be wu ama ahwe ne bobre. Kwaku and me fa wonsia.
All right, so
chia ayifo ma me chia K4 of K4 Enterprise. On na dwuma for any Ruby Ajman of Killeen, Texas. And I face so and Mrs. Star Gifty's Kitchen UK ne ba edi ne birthday. Ne ba na otoso mi no anam yensa and ne birthday. Enti mama ono so mama wish no happy birthday. And I face so I'll say you guys live in you are live in Brussels. We are live in Brussels Airport and I work there and they are doing a great job. Nana missing like I say, or they just say Brussels, airport or no. We are doing a great job. We are doing a great job, and she's listening to us at Brussels, right? And Nana Missy, and also Yachao.
Brussels, that's
Brussels was Germany side over.
Hey, Germany saying Kwame. Oh, Belgium.
Belgium. Also Belgium don't in the same company.
Now you see that Wakwana also me free Belgium. I'm saying Belgium if I'm not free. I say Germany.
Because I was Belgium Germany.
All right, so yeah, first that can say Emma Lumatrona. We know
Lumatrona.
Fufra Abba.
Yeah, malaria no.
Malaria. A trusted anti-malaria for the family. It is a kiti bi na na sentence na yakoya o de dika ko run test no unya test wie na ehu se
malaria dia
enu aduro bia enu ani lumatrona enu ano no I san beba one time e available pharmacy shops ni na emu across the country dodo pa no Frenisi pharmacy e was 020-830-5676 na yen sort out afetie Airtel to go. We are the biggest welcome offer. Now we enjoy free morning calls from 5 a.m. to 10 a.m. for 6 solid months only on Airtel Tigo. And once we better new Airtel Tigo SIM. Now we make it transaction with Airtel Tigo money. Now for when you free Airtel Tigo calls every morning. Plus free Airtel Tigo money transfer for 6 whole months. Emuye pa tifamu jimbi. Maybe are not already. You are registered on Airtel Tigo money. Very simple. And also dial *110# no select option 2. Then you select free morning offer. And over more akwenya. Now also wait me a subscribe for only 2 cedis. Sebe also wait me a share concern every morning for free. So go on and buy an Airtel Tigo SIM today. Airtel Tigo money. Life is simple. Yakoya anymore as they do on the Bema DBS Industries and they or buying na yetimianya are losing trusses na idea guya dance one sunny the roofing sheet aboso say on fan we are emu dan so biem enua na mo atimi so atimi bro na na some way we there na there pa na a lightweight enti emfa pressure emegu dan so edani bi ho enua no mo du osoro senti ya na eden dan no we are lightweight are losing trusses you be guarantee am 100 years every na chen ye hwe abo bi an re pro ye hwe na guso a ansa na later wo the roofing sheet no aba be good dan so na adimu fefefe kama pa obe hu ye chia kwa on the Sprinters Road Ofie so enche bia na wadu papa restaurant obe fra 0240-844-444 Kumase phone so be fra 050-600-4141 Takrade for Befra 050-600-4242. Now on the DBS Industries, Eddie Nkita Home. Jaisun Herbal Clinic. You were ultra modern machines. Papa. And they will buy a bit me a diagnose where you should move. A dear opportunity to the pedway. Tia dear drone can one time na ya sano. Aba. Now call baby. Or you can important one. Ubet me book appointment with Dr. Shadrach Kwabna in Chakwa. I will Jaisu about clinic or Regency Court Unit F, Milton Keynes. Now, Uber friend number A +44 744 071 0664. Now, one in Edikita. Ghana Hai Ablukuma and a war Ubefra 0244 529 398 and our face 020 826 3357. You know so I yeton Jaisun WMP capsules. We am what Timbari ultimi ya 9 what they no bi keke. We am best answer no come out be ja 9 said they say. Na asan boa a prevent high blood pressure na fe high cholesterol levels ne excess fat and gas ne ade na so no a cleaning and why free. And your black man and black woman boosters war and no boa a boost your immune system man where they pa. Let me fight against every disease. Bia. And when Tibomodia, pain will be a chakwan. Near to turn have a noon now. Ubenebi and so ever. Shano say and Rundi if you 12 years equa. Untimi and Numbi. Jasu about clinic, the home of natural herbal medicine. Sankratui, FDA, I Mushimwaja to Muse, a year. And they show Max Ghana. Say ye Misa said Joe, what's up? And the end koso. Time na catch you, and not just a blender drukra. Where you two for change the way you watch your TV with Showmax. Yes, so and then Showmax Alande she for Ghana. We no bet me a share on your screen. Said your pebia bribia. Ubet me a streaming, ubet me a download this series, movies, kids shows. Now watch your sports. You say EPL, La Liga. Philly, no one new to you. Super Sport near the on Showmax. Radio and Patrol Bunny News, Lady can come one. Nina, ye dragum de maweni. What I say on any device, anywhere you like. So, welcome to a new way to watch online entertainment. Discover more and sign up today at showmax.com. And share, I don't know. I think Nokia and they were more Android phones, papa. Nokia 7.2, Nokia 2.3, Nokia C1, C2, and other sleek Nokia Android smartphones. The amount of more megapixels, say by bit me quality, and beautiful pictures and videos as well. Our long-lasting batteries, and so teachers are charging on a power the whole day. Temusa is YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and other apps. Very, very, very well. Indeed, you're going to love the new Nokia Android phones. So on some count they are available. Our phone shops are all doing them across the country. What do we need your dock or traffic light? Georgia phones are Obekono, your best ever camera. It's also been in a month for a better extra to now on some count there. Nokia connecting people. And then you go TV say big things are great to have. So never settle for small things. Nina and say Obe choose to go TV. Now what's me I enjoy the best football leagues on Super Sports. Nah, and they man say can't go TV. Decoder full set for 109 Ghana cedis. Ubet me upgrade to Go TV Max. Now a banner sports are when you're the best, a banner entertainment are when you're the best. What I say, any football league, nay Go TV Max, and more when you're with me actually Syria na fe La Liga games in live. What I say, that be a koyi at the amount. We and your power baby and our cotton. Better fee now I show what they will call Go TV, no so only be near some. Ubet me connect to our brother use my Go TV app. Pay by the point and now say any mobile money agent be a or bear war. Go TV, live it, love it. I feel finally the day sorry son a MasterCard say you can't show say a ban of the first whistle on your ban of prayer. Engineer home just to start the game pekeke. What you say, but and on ignited the passion nankasa of the game. On the Mepa channel. It is the start of friendships between strangers on the same side. It is you screaming your lungs out to cheer your team. Say, yeah, Charlie, go for gold. You can do it. Make it happen. You know what I'm saying? Now for your favorite player, your best core winning team, and it just from Kono Sebo now Benya dia techi, It is celebrating your team being crowned champions. That first whistle is just the start of something priceless. So don't just watch it, live it. MasterCard, the official sponsor of the UEFA Champions League. They don't want to say almost one year, am I irrigated sports, Ebrel. Ofie Kwanso media so Adom 106.3 FM. Just a quick dip now for your bar. Get a diaka to us. But before we do that, this one here says, Brad Jerry, please say hi to my auntie for me. She likes irrigated sports so much. Her name is Abigail Taino. She is a seamstress at Tema Community 1 Market. She likes Oba dear so much. Big ups to her for me. And then we also say good afternoon, Jerry. Another justice account. Please wish my loving brother Solomon Ejay a wonderful happy birthday as he turns 20 today. May all his heart desires be fulfilled. And then from all his friends, especially from his friend Nayask. I hope I got it right. Okay. And then the next one also says a happy birthday to our adorable daughter, Janelle Akosia Odebia Asamoah. You are a year old today. From your parents, Mr. and Mrs. Asamoah Awuku of the Church of Pentecost, Ikuapem Mampong, Emmanuel Assembly. Okay, and yet to ask anymore. I'll say, please do me this big favor. I wish my mom, Mrs. Grace Ado Hayford, from Cecilia and siblings, we love her. She is a big fan of your show, and she just wants you guys to mention her name on air. And we are mentioning your name once again, Mrs. Grace Ado Hayford. Yes. In fact, I'll mention it again, Mrs. Grace. Oh my goodness.